Hello friends, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel to see more videos about all new cars in USA and around the world. Leaked next gen 2023 W214 Mercedes-Benz E-Class interior raises more questions than answers. A photo of what is allegedly the dashboard of the upcoming W214 generation 2023 has surfaced on Chinese social media channels. Judging by the simpler looking steering wheel, this is most likely a non-AMG entry variant's dashboard. Curiously, the infotainment screen is using a wide landscape format as opposed to the W223, V223 S-Class and W206 C-Class tall portrait format screen. Isn't it odd if the E-Class that is sandwiched between the smaller and the bigger is fitted with a very different user interface concept from rest of the company's sedan lineup? After all, Mercedes-Benz did say that a portrait orientation screen selected for the S-Class and C-Class because this format is better for navigation. Current C-Class and S-Class use portrait format screens. Perhaps a new generation of augmented reality heads-up display is making this redundant. Having a tall screen is good for viewing maps, but it sacrifices storage space. The next generation E-Class, codename W214, will make its global debut sometime in the middle of 2023. An EV-only variant will also be introduced. Not the actual car, but a render by Colisa.ru. The outgoing generation W213 E-Class is currently on sale in Malaysia at Rm 345,888, E200 Avantgrade and Rm 397,888, E300 AMG line. Both models are locally assembled at Pekin. The current facelift model was launched in July 2021. The W213 E-Class itself was first launched here in June 2016. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos about all new cars in USA and all around.